Good morning, students. Now we are thinking about the second part of chapter number 19 SST class 7 transport. Transport is the movement of the people and goods one place to another. In the early time, people used different animals for traveling and carry their loads. Now we are using the different vehicles or modes for traveling our distance. Transport mainly divided into three sections: land transport, waterways, and airways. The first one, land transport. Under the land transport, mainly divided into two: the roadways and railways. Roadways. It is the common means of transport and best for short distance and door-to-door service. Mainly, roadways are in two types: metalled road and unmetalled road, or kacha road or paka road. Next, railways. Indian Railway is the largest network in Asian continent. It is the cheapest means of transport. Mostly we can found in the plain areas. Next one, waterways. Waterways mostly we depend upon exporting and importing. It is the best way to carry bulky goods. Waterways are mainly two types: inland waterways and oceanic routes. Inland waterways are connected the rivers or lakes in a country, but oceanic waterways connected with other countries with sea route. Next one, airways. Airways is the fastest means of transport. Then it is most expensive transport also. It connects with the major countries and cities in the world. Most of the airways managed by the private sector. Mainly the airways divide into two types. They are domestic and international service. Next one, communication. Communication is the process to convey the message one person to other. In early periods, animals and birds used for sending messages. Now we are using different methods for communicating. Example, mobile phone, television, internet, radio, newspaper. And the communication may be classified into two parts: personal communication and mass communication. Under the personal communication, we are communicate a single person with a mobile telephone and letters. In the mass communication, we are communicate with a large number of people at once a time. Example, radio, television, and newspaper. Or we are communicate with the different sections or different types. Personal communications means we are communicate with single persons with our mobile phones and new electronic gadgets. And mass communications means we are communicate with a large number of people in a single time or at a time. Example, radio, television, and newspaper. From these modes or from these aspects, we are communicate with the peoples. Okay, thank you for watching my video.